Greetings everyone, I'm Vitaminsmore. Today I'll be going over the installation and introduction of Mixitup. Now there are many different types of support bots out there, though I find this one the most versatile and user-friendly. Let's start by going to the Mixitup website. The link will be in the description. Now that you're on the website, feel free to read up on anything that may interest you. When you are ready, click the download button located at the top right of the page. Follow the prompts and save it to the desired location on your PC. And save. And note that some programs and extensions like Malwarebytes will flag this, though it is safe to use, but note that the requirements of the Windows 10 and 8 and Twitch accounts. Mixitup is in the process of adding this to YouTube as well as Facebook Gaming. Click the Mixitup icon found where you downloaded it and to begin installing. Once install is finished, load Mixitup and start by signing in to your Twitch account. It should bring you to a box that looks similar to this. Now I've already set up my account. For new streamers, click the little icon Hit New Streamer. It should be here by default. Start by clicking Login, agree to the terms, click the prompt, feel free to read anything you like. Log into your account. Do make sure that you are previously logged into your Twitch account or it will not work. Once that is finished, click Next, or you can activate a bot account if you have one. If you would like to add one, you just make a new Twitch account designed for your bot. Once that's logged in, you can come back to this, hit Login, continue the same thing. Hit Next, read the prompts, hit Next. Set the location of your backup. You can set daily, weekly, monthly. I personally like daily. Set the file location. Once that's done, hit Next. This is going to fail because my account's already on here. That's fine. And then move on to the next step. Now, once logged in, let's explore the settings. The first thing I recommend is going to your settings at the top right. Click the gear. Under the Generals tab, switch the auto login, the current account to on. Placing your cursor over the switch will prompt a new screen to show you more information for each individual tab. Next, language. Keep this at default as it reads off your current computer language. Default streaming software is the software you use for your streaming, so XSplit OBS or Streamlabs OBS. Default audio output you can keep on default. If you like, I have mine set to a specific one because I use other programs. Next is themes and colors. Color scheme will allow you to pick between multiple colors. Background color will allow you to light and dark. Full theme will allow you to pick different themes for the Mixitup bot itself. I like Twitch. Feel free to play around the settings and find what you like best. Under the chat settings, we can change the size of the font, hide the viewer count, enable the beat cranker face and BBT emotes, as well as change the color format of the viewers. The Commands tab will allow you to turn on and off certain aspects of the custom or pre-made commands. I'll be getting into making commands later or in another video. The Alerts section will allow you to customize different alerts, different colors. By selecting the down arrow, you can customize each individual for follows, hosts, raids, and so on. Notification tab will allow you to set preset sounds for when a chat message, tag, whisper, connection, or disconnection occurs. Though you can have these come through a different audio device, I imagine this will get old pretty quickly. The User tab will allow you to set up different titles for each role after the viewers have watched for a set number of hours. Feel free to take the time and come up with unique titles of your very own. The Overlays tab will allow you to make unlimited amount of on-screen overlays. Each is used individually or together for advanced alerts and commands. Simply write a name and select Add. Copy the link and paste it into the browser source into an OBS, Streamlabs OBS, or XSplit. Hotkey tab will allow you to set up numerous hotkeys with a simple and easy setup. Select the type you wish to use from the drop-down box, followed by the command. Using Shift, Control, or Alt, the keystroke you'd like to use, and Add. Though remembering all the commands can be a bit overwhelming. Also note, you'll have to have commands set up already to use this feature, with the Remote tab and the Serial Devices tab. I personally am not familiar with these. You may have to explore the web page to find more details onto this. The Advanced tab will allow you to back up current settings, restore settings backup, automated settings backup, rate automated settings backup location, previous to what it was when you first set this up. This is the tab you can go to readjust all that. If you wish to reset the entire bot, you can do so here. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll be making more into other features and advanced commands in the future videos. Please like, subscribe, share, and follow me on Twitch and Twitter. See you next time.